want to find and check equivalent ratios. An equivalent ratio is somewhat similar to equivalent fractions. A fraction, 1/2, would be equivalent to 5/10 and 4/8 and a lot more fractions because the numerator and denominator can be divided to be the same as the original fraction. An example of an equivalent ratio is 3:9 and 6:18. The reason these ratios are equivalent is because if you multiply both numbers in the original ratio, 3:9, by 2, you will get 6:18, which is also equivalent. You can multiply both numbers of the original ratio by any number as long as both numbers are equally multiplied to get an equivalent ratio. How do I know if a ratio is equivalent? I want to find out if the ratios 4:10 and 32:80 are equivalent. What I could do to see if both numbers in the second ratio can be divided by the exact same number to make the first ratio. In this case, both numbers in 32:80 can be divided by 8 to get the original ratio of 4:10. Practice problems. Is 56:16 equivalent to 50:10? A race car drives across a long path at the speed of 120 miles an hour. A small biplane travels 720 miles in 6 hours. If both vehicles are traveling at a consistent speed, is one vehicle faster than the other, or are both vehicles traveling at the same speed? Tips to help you remember. Always remember to divide or multiply both numbers of the ratio by the exact same number. If you divide or multiply both numbers of the ratio by different numbers, you will get a non-equivalent ratio. Flipping the order of a ratio will change it and make it not equal to the original ratio. 2 to 10 is not equal to 10 to 2.